In this demonstration, we will review how to add a knowledge item. In the vertical menu, click Knowledge. Click Add at the top of the page. Select the knowledge type from the drop-down. In this example, we will select Passwords. Enter a title for the password. Select a customer to associate with the knowledge item. Select a role or roles that can access this information. Select the portal visibility. In this example, we will make it specific to the customer. And then, select the customer from the drop-down. Add keywords or tags to easily search for the information. Define which system the password is for. Enter the login ID and password being saved here. Store details about the password in the Notes field. Select the Show on Dash checkbox so the information appears on the customer's dashboard. Enter a password secret as an optional security measure to view or unlock the password. Click the Save icon at the top of the panel. The information now appears under the All Knowledge page. To view, click on the eye icon.